Look at his high quality tools. Rugged stainless construction. Yeah, this is something else. It's incredibly cheap crap. I think it's 20 bucks. Man, look at the quality of that multi-tool. And this, 10 bucks. That thing will make your 15B PM2 look like trash. That's one high quality piece right here. Good God, it's hard to believe people actually buy junk like this. So cheaply built, so poor quality. They have a lot of it. Like, look at that bad boy. Now that is one quality tool. So, I guess if you want it, they got it. I ain't seen that brand in a long time. I don't know. It's hard to believe people actually buy stuff like this. It's so poor quality, so cheaply built. Like, look at those. Things made out of aluminum foil. Or that. Look at this thing. Oh yeah, that's a high quality tool right there. Definitely Maximet on the blade steel. Laser chopsticks. Or better yet, a good old whacker. Woman's best friend. Hey, y'all have a good night.